Oh no.
Oh,
I think it's going to be spicy. What? Oh my gosh! It's over! Help! Mandy, calm down. I'll start first.
oh man!
Well, I can definitely do it. Everything seems to be fine. Or not! I'm done. Well, the main thing is not to worry. But what if…
Yes.
Exactly! Assistant, come here! There's a task. You need to eat this donut. Are you stupid? I need to eat this donut right now, okay? What? Oh, how spicy! I'm burning! Get away! And you, stop laughing! Oh, I really don't want to do it. I guess I have to. I cannot.
Come on!
You can do it. Go ahead. I feel like I'm gonna be really sick. Okay, giving it a try. It's not that scary. Oh!
Cool!
Actually, it's delicious. I shouldn't have been afraid. That's hilarious. Let's film it together. Good luck to you. Meet our pet dragon, Mandy. Look how funny she is. Let me help you.
Oh,
Well, thanks for the help, but I could have done it on my own. Oh no! Watch out! No! The dragon has gone crazy! Oh, that is scary. I need water! 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 Oh, it's not working! Bingo! That's exactly what I need! I feel so good right now. A small bottle. Oh well. What?
What?
That is disgusting. Wow! Yes! Well, Nicole, it is your turn. Go! Well, I'm gonna open it. Let's try it as soon as possible. Squeezing out some more. Yummy! Nice! And a bit more. It must be delicious. Yes, it is delicious. What are you laughing at? A watermelon seed stuck in my mouth? I've got an idea. What if I plant the seed? And let's see what happens. Perfect!
what?
Girls, get away! Some water. I want it to grow. Whoa! Look at this watermelon! It's so small and so cute. Let's give it a try. Wow, that is delicious! I can just lick my fingers.
Cool!
Yeah, cool.
Come
Mandy,
on.
it's your turn now. Oh, how disgusting it looks. Mandy! Be careful! Oops, I'm sorry. Well, I need to hurry up and try it. Oh no! I can't eat it! No way! You have to! Okay, I'll continue. Ew. Hey, how horrible! I'm gonna throw up! Calm down, we'll cover you! Mandy, there you go! Well, I feel better now.
Oh man!
I feel sick. Well, that was definitely unpleasant. Ew. Your turn, Brittany.
Come on!
Well, I'm gonna open it first. Whoa! It's so heavy! An idea. I'll just blow up the bottle. Nice. It's okay, girls. Let's set it on fire! Yeah, boy! It will be great! Awesome! Look, it's working! Oh no! Brittany, what did you do? What is that? Oh, girls! Who's gonna clean it? Get away from here! Making a mess all the time! Stop doing that! Oh. Wait a little. It actually might be very, very good. What a tiny jar! A super small bucket.
Awesome!
What? I am more lucky. Don't worry, Mandy. Yeah. Smile! A huge bucket of yummy treats. Oh, yeah. Hey, I'll get started. I think I have an idea.
Yahoo!
Tiny furniture. Oh, yeah. Now the dolls. Perfect. They definitely need plates. Here's a bowl. Yes. Some chocolate balls. This is absolutely perfect. Oh, forgot about the spoon. It is very small. Well, let's try it. Hi, girls. I'll treat you. Yummy, right? She's definitely not okay. Mandy, can I start now? Well, here is my treat. Taking a bite. Oh, this is so good! Oh yeah, I've got a special hose. I'll eat candy in no time. Look, I'm just a vacuum cleaner. Nice. I really enjoyed it. It's your turn. Forget about her. Well, let me get started. But how do I eat it? I'll be back! A swimming pool? Nice! Pouring it in there. Cool!
Awesome!
I've got an idea. I need milk. Please deliver it. Oh, hello! Please pour it into the swimming pool.
Okay, we'll do everything.
That is perfect! You're free! It's time to dive into the pool! Wow! That is great! Nice! Let's take a straw! Delicious milk! And now,
Awesome!
the candy! You guys, it is so good! I don't need this. Cool. Small ice cream. Nice. What? I've got a bigger portion. Oh, yeah. Yeah, boy! All this ice cream just for me. Girls, I want to start. It's such a tiny baby. Yummy. Oops. Oh, help!
Hey!
Nicole! She needs help! There we go. Do you feel better?
Come on!
It's your turn, Nicole. Very interesting. An idea. Let's add some yummy toppings. Wow, whipped cream. It's the best thing in the world. Putting it on top of my ice cream. That's it. Done. Now time for some sweets. Oh, M&Ms. And chocolate syrup right on top. Some sprinkles. pokey sticks. And look, girls. Here's my spoon. Let's try it as soon as possible.
Awesome!
Delicious. I'm gonna try it too. Yummy. Oops. Well, you want my treat? Take it. Oh no!
Oh, man!
It's chocolate. It's really good. What are you laughing at? Get started. Well, here is my spoon. Let's try the first scoop.
Cool.
Hey! What are you doing? This is mine! Oh, it's so heavy! I can't! No! I think she fell.
Man!
I'm here! Wait, I can eat this ice cream now. Delicious! Oh, that is so tiny and interesting.
What?
I got an average bucket. Cool.
Oh!
Yes! Wow! Get started. Mandy, come on, your tiny bucket. I know what to do. I'll take 2 toothpicks. Look, it's like chopsticks. Oh, it didn't work. Okay, I'll just eat these noodles like they are. Nice. Look, a bubble. Wait, girls. I know what to do. I'll put my chewing gum into my lunchbox. Come on, Nicole. Mandy, get your hands away. Here are my pink chopsticks. That is awesome. Let's take some more.
Oh!
Wow! I've got an idea. Scissors. Let's cut her noodles. That's it. Now the bucket is mine. So cool. It's so yummy. What? Where's the bucket? Oh, give it back. Why are you doing this? Look! What is she doing? I don't know. I'm inflating a huge balloon! Oh yeah, ready! Nicole, this is for you. Thank you, but I'm gonna burst it. Come on, Brittany, it's your turn. Well, let's get started. I need to be very nice. Ooh, my chopsticks. Waiter? Could you help me?
Hey!
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, ladies.
What a handsome little boy. Hey! What are you doing?
Sorry.
Get away from here! Go away! I'm gonna eat on my own. That is much better. Yeah, she's clearly gone crazy.
I love you.
I love you too. Stop this! Get it from me! Horrible!
Nicole, look at these huge packs of Doritos.
Yes!
Let's do this! What's under the lid?
Whoa! Dorito sauce! That's what I call being lucky! I can already imagine how delicious it will be! Let's dip our nachos right into the sauce! Oh, you have no idea how delicious it is!
Well, I think it is delicious. Will you let me try?
Ah, no! Eat yours!
Okay. Something strange. Some kind of a light. Oh, look, it glows. I I wonder what's inside. Oh! It's so sour!
Oh, it really is sour! Wait, you want to combine this?
Yeah, why not? Oh, this is terrible.
Is it? I need to make sure. Hey!
Oh, why did you do that? Are you making fun of me?
Come on! And I'll eat. Ugh. Oh, yeah, come on. I'd rather eat my sauce. It's delicious. I love it. This time we have Oreo cereal. Let's see what's under the lids. Oh, yes. Sweet milk with M&M's flavor. I'll pour it over breakfast cereal and enjoy this divine taste. Looks incredible. What about the taste? Oh, it's really good. Nicole, what's under your lid?
That's right. There's Tabasco sauce? Oh, something tells me it's not gonna be good. Even Oreo cereals won't save me. Well, hope dies last, so it's time to try it.
Oh no!
Oh, this is already scary. I think my mouth will just burn.
Oh man!
Oh no! Okay, I'm doing this. I'm strong. Oh, what a horror! It's impossible to keep it in your mouth!
No.
I'm not gonna eat it.
These are the rules. You can't give up.
Oh, who came up with such rules? I'm going to be sick right now. Oh no! Oh my! I need your help! Give me a drink, please!
A drink? Catch it!
Hey! I wanted to wash it down. You just poured it on me.
Wow!
Wow, nuggets! I was just getting hungry. My favorite sweet and sour sauce! Amazing! Mike, I'm very happy. Oh, nuggets with these sauce are an incredible combination.
Cool.
Yum, yum, yum.
Okay.
Well, I have something delicious too. However, nuggets with maple syrup is something new. Something tells me that this could be a very good combination. Wow, shaking it. Oh, looks great. Okay, it is very cool. I like it. Delicious.
Awesome!
Mike, maybe you want to give me a try? Please!
No way. I'm not sharing your nuggets.
Okay.
Wow! Oh, another snack! This time we've got hot dogs. Nicole, you should open the lid first.
I have toothpaste. Why do I need it? Do I have to spread paste on a hot dog? Oh. Mike, stop laughing! Oh, that looks so weird. I'm gonna try very hard. Oh, this is terrible. It's impossible to eat. I don't want to finish it. Oh no, that's disgusting.
Well, you have to. These are the rules.
I've got it.
Yeah!
Moving on. I got two sauces. My loved ones. Ketchup and mustard. They go great with hot dogs. Ha! Yum! Nicole? Ha! You're not having it. You just can. Look at me, be happy for me.
You won't give me a bite?
Of course no. I can't share this.
All right. Then I'll cover you in paste. Come here. Toast? I love that. And I'll eat them with peanut butter. I think it fits toast perfectly. Let's spread this on a toast as soon as possible. And eat it super soon, too. Looking great. How delicious it is!
Nice.
I can lick my fingers. Mike, what are you looking at? Oh, come on!
Ugh. I'm out of luck.
Yeah, you definitely are.
Oh, those sardines! Ugh, smells horrible. That's much better. I'm definitely gonna throw up after the first bite. Looking horrible. Oh, I can't!
Yeah, you guessed it right. This time we have chocolate cupcakes. What will we decorate them with? Let's see. Oh my gosh! There's a lot of chocolate! I have chocolate cream. It needs to be beautifully squeezed onto the top of the cupcake. It's not only beautiful, but also very good. I was right. Yum! Mike, what are you waiting for?
I have cat food. What? I'm not eating that! It's disgusting!
You'll have to. These are the rules. Okay. Just don't yell at me.
I can't even imagine how it's gonna be in my mouth. Maybe it'll be okay. Ew! No! I've had enough! I'm definitely not eating that! And give me this delicious cupcake! That's better! Am I the first one this time? Oh, I'm afraid that spaghetti and marshmallows don't go together.
Well, you'll try it.
I mean, I love marshmallows, but I don't really want to dip marshmallows in spaghetti.
Try it. Maybe it's not as disgusting as it seems.
Well, I guess I'll give it a shot.
Oh, man.
Let's see. Ugh. Okay, this is impossible to eat. It's disgusting. Nicole, what do you have?
And I have tomato paste. It's definitely perfect for spaghetti.
Well, will you give me a try?
Wait, I have to spread it all over my pasta first. Hey, get out of here! I'm hungry too. Spaghetti with tomato paste is my lunch.
Well, I guess I'll just have some marshmallows. Oh, lovely! A whole sack of pancakes! I can eat them with anything! Whoa! Whipped cream! Cool! We can draw a smiling face on a pancake! Look at that! It's looking great!
Nice.
Let's devour this pancake!
Oh, how cruel, but it's probably delicious. Well, let's see what I have. Oh no! It's mayonnaise? Oh, it doesn't really go with sweet pancakes. I guess I'll squeeze out just a tiny little bit.
No way! Squeeze everything out!
Come on.
Oh no! This is horrible! Well, are you satisfied? I ate everything!
I'm proud of you!
Interesting. What is this thing?
I want each of you to cook a donut for me.
It'll be done. This will be the darkest donut. What won't you do for your beloved granddaughter? I think that cooking donuts in a special device is very convenient and fast. You just need to pour the dough. Oh yeah, I can do that. Only my donuts will be colored because it's so much more fun. Granddaughter, you're such a dreamer. Yeah, there's too much snot. See what a real donut should be like. They're black, but they're probably delicious. The black color is the best combined with red, so I'll pour red glaze on my donuts. And I'll add a little white on top. Right now. Let's do this. So they will become even more beautiful. Hand, help me. Bring me a deep plate right now. I'll pour strawberry syrup in it. What? Perfect. Then I'll put in syringes. What for? Now you'll see for yourself.
Hey.
Granny, do you want a trick? Look, this is blood. Oh, why scaring a lady like that? Come on, it's just syrup. I'm trying for your granddaughter's sake. I want her to taste not only delicious, but also beautiful donuts. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. If they had brought that to me, I would have fainted for sure. Now I'll show you how normal donuts should look like. Firstly, there's absolutely no need to make them black. And for beauty, a little powdered sugar will be enough. Just look at how beautiful it is.
Awesome! Oh.
Beauty is my donuts. One look at them is enough to cheer yourself up. But to make them even more fun, why not add a little bright sprinkle? However, first you need to open this damn jar. Now come on! Oh, yeah, Rebecca, you did open the jar. Now look how much more cheerful you are. The main thing is that it got on the donuts. Margot, it's time to pick a winner.
Oh, Wednesday made donuts in her own style. They look pretty creepy, but in fact, they are very tasty. And syringes with syrup is a great idea.
Awesome!
Grandma, now I'm going to try your donuts. And I won't lie, they're so-so. Too simple. Oh, but Rebecca's donuts look much more interesting. I hope they taste good, too. These are the most delicious donuts that I've ever tried. You're the winner. Oh, I love you too, Margot.
Oh, Wednesday, stop scaring an old lady.
In this round, you have to make a cocktail for me. Delicious and beautiful.
It will be done. No problem. Good. A win-win option is to make a cocktail from what Margot loves most. For example, you can start with toxic waste candies. But I don't need the lollipops themselves. I need to make these candies turn into a liquid mass. In general, I need to melt them. Perfect. Now it's time to add candy Skittles.
Wow!
Let's do this. There can be no doubt about it. Everyone loves these sweets. But first, they need to be divided by color, so that after they are beautifully distributed among our colors and delicious cups. And now it's time for the Sprite. Let's pour it in. It'll be the basis of the cocktail, only now it is almost impossible to open it. I'll use a hairpin for this. Oh, how so? Wet and sweet. Poor Rebecca. I'm alright. I just took a Sprite shower, but that's not all. What kind of cocktail without whipped cream? And a little candy won't hurt. Ta-da! My masterpiece is ready. Oh, you're so great. But your cocktails are not healthy at all. And Margot needs vitamins, so the cocktail should be as useful as possible. Vitamins are mostly in vegetables, so why not just make a vegetable cocktail? Perfect. It smells great. I'm sure Margot will be absolutely delighted. I doubt that. I'll start making my cocktail with strawberry syrup. I'll pour it into a glass so that it immediately becomes much more beautiful. Then the Sprite will go into action, which I will touch up a little with the help of green syrup. Hand, I need your help again. Still some whipped cream for me. Someday I'll crush this thing. It's so creepy. And it's still my cream. Thank you. You did everything right. And they're just joking. Finally, I'll add cream to the cocktail and, of course, why not decorate it with a marmalade eye? In my opinion, it turned out cool. Margot, decide which cocktail is the winner.
Wednesdays always has the most original one. Let's see. You've got a very delicious cocktail. Marmalade is just the cherry on the cake. More precisely, an eye.
Oh.
Grandma, have you made a mixture of all the vegetables again? You know I can't stand this stuff. Ugh, disgusting. And my sister came up with something cool again. Let's try how it tastes. Amazing! Rebecca, you have won again!
Hooray! Don't worry, someday you'll be lucky.
Surprise me with delicious pasta this time.
Okay.
I have a couple of thoughts. Oh, pasta? Oh, okay. Easily. There's nothing easier than cooking spaghetti for my granddaughter. Do you know how I'll know that the water in the pot is hot? A hand will help me. Never repeat it at home because the thing does not feel the heat at all. Although, it's still unpleasant for it. Pre-made spaghetti is boring. Why don't I cook them myself? I have flour. Oh, now everyone has flour. Don't yell, Grandma. I didn't mean to. We need to knead the dough. And to do this, you need to add raw eggs. Then roll it all thoroughly. So, the foundation is ready. It's time to color the dough so that the spaghetti turns out bright. Next, you need to roll out the dough in a special machine. And then cut it into spaghetti nips. So my colored pasta will be ready soon. Even store-bought spaghetti can be cooked with love. However, because of this steam, I can't see anything at all. Rebecca, did I overdo it with the ketchup? No, Grandma, you didn't even open it. Oh, what am I? Oh, what a horror! Oh, Wednesday. Look, you usually like this kind of spectacle. Oh, Rebecca, thanks for the napkin. I'll finally be able to continue cooking pasta. Have very little left to add ketchup to the spaghetti. Delicious, but so boring. Do you know how to make spaghetti more interesting? We need to paint them black. Grandma gave me an interesting idea. Why not add horror to my portion with ketchup and an eye? I do like this idea. It's very scary. Another thing is my colored pasta. Hope Margot will appreciate it.
Wednesday, will you stop scaring me already? The food is, again, very interesting, but this is not pasta. Grandma, but you make classic spaghetti with ketchup. It's pretty delicious.
You're my girl.
I wonder what Rebecca has come up with. I hope these spaghetti are not only beautiful, but also delicious.
Awesome!
I tried especially for you.
Rebecca, you've won again!
Hooray! I'm lucky. Wednesday, I almost forgot. I brought a hairpin especially for you. I think it'll suit you very well. I don't wear such things.
Oh.
And this time, prepare Caesar salad for me.
Easy. I can cook salads. I'll try. For Caesar, the main thing is not to spare cabbage. Some chicken. And of course, red crackers, which are too contracted to me because they're too tough. And some grated cheese on top. I know Margot adores it. I'll make a spring gift for Margot. It won't be Caesar, but I think she'll like my edible flowers on long stems. Wednesday, look! What a cool idea! Nothing cool. Here's my idea, and it's really cool. I'll make a salad right in the pepper. I'll paint all the ingredients there. Be sure to make a tongue out of cucumber, and I'll make eyes out of olives. Look what a cute frog I got.
Let's see what you have prepared this time. Rebecca, you've come up with something really cool. But it tastes like the most ordinary vegetables. Here, Granny knows how to cook delicious Caesar. And today's no exception. It's very tasty. Wednesday, are those olives? I can't stand them. Grandma, congratulations on your victory.
Oh, finally! I've been waiting for so long!